For me, Mamuni Akwaba about Melodies TV. So, one of a very sensitive political issue in Ghana and the Electoral Commission, the new voters register. Yeni ayenim the NDC for their stance on this particular thing. Answer na yebetras and message subscribe and click the notification bell no and no and that screen so see we the latest news be about one sa epeka. Into the na make and yeni we know the stance of NDC on this particular new voters register. Now, the Abba and say I've monitored a discussion at a course so Peace FM between NDC4 communications director Sami Jenfi and legendary journalist Kwame Sefakai. Now, the Sami Jenfi kano as a ya keka akọ say NDC4 your madwen say womo pim na ECC want year still electoral register no wobeye new one no before this year voting na to say NDC for say womo the assembly ebeko akwakodan court na me be say me bo NDC for nsema Sami Jenfi ekan na me bo wi a and then I'll bring you some repercussions if NDC indeed take this stance. Na assembly there yakoye assembly ase ebeba so ebeba so but isi ne there no there why na adwin pi we si na adwin pi say new voters register ne there wo beye wo kosoro eba from kia ne ke wo si new voters register ne there wo beye yonko tie Sami Jenfi a wo kan say NDC for any wo mo lawyers wo mo tenase a wo mo esusu asem ho ebobo asem ne ho na yanhwe yekra na ebekọ akwakodan court yonko tie mra.
Say if you didn't have a moka some bebo kaya, a bebo Ghana ka $74 million. Name mom so moka so moko ton fidi munwa. Ghana bebo ka $56 million. And according to them, no mo beton fidi muno because fidi muno worth $56 million. Rather than repairing the existing equipment at $74 million. Nobody has saved Ghana $18 million. An NPP for budget so. A cost of new equipment no kwani e cheaper. E be save Ghana $80 million. So duam kontompo bra if you come. Taman, ye we tender process no. Ye nko sika. New company na Jimensa choose no. One manipulate system no dey be your special press conference.
At this point, no accusation.
No, it's not even an accusation. I'm talking about facts here.
Press conference now.
No, but Chairman, I can talk about it because they are facts. You don't. I don't do that. A very serious issue.
I'd like to ask you two quick questions.
But let me land on this point. The point I am making here, I say, you real tender process, no. New company you choose no. Cost of infidel or supply, say, $70 million without taxes. Instead of 56 million, easy for said that would be the cost of the new system. And based on that, no save Ghana a cost of $18 million. No? It has turned out say $70 million without taxes. Next, I say their claims of say you save Ghana $18 million now was a lie. And must also the contract now for my company. Good.
One. So each year said regardless of their money in the children, so they'll go ahead with the voter registration exercise.
Good. You know, because a lawyer for Egusua, they are considering all the issues, especially the violation of the procurement laws of Ghana. I wouldn't want to preempt anything, but from where I sit, it is very likely that we will go to court. However, say Yanko court it doesn't stop us from still exercising our right to free speech, to critique the EC4 and say it is not in the national interest. The right to go to court is not a substitute for our right to free expression. And that is why I was a church in Ghana for whom The second question.
Register number plate.
What I can why I want that for registration, because by law no there was a ECL limited registration. So as a party we are already preparing for that exercise. So this is your limited registration, no better to register now any problem not watching it. No I can say your registration from scratch, new registration. We will be ready. We are telling them. But final day to tour, they will fail. Failure no fail in 2019 na omu reche NDC dia ya kan ya omanti ya no ana mo be ye and they will fail. Like time when America na me de man we see.
If they decide to do it, you are ready to go.
Yes, but when America na me de man we.
Sami Jemfi NDC for communication director ono na wate. Na meka se mebo NDC for abaso se omu ehu se bibi wo ho aye friend the court. There is a legal way wo mode assembly be ebefa mebo wo mo abaso because senior na NDC for some communicators can say easy wanya chaos will happen, chaos will omo be ye basa yo no. I think say Sisiano they've sat down to realize say there is a court na omo ayade say they are taking all the legal processes they have at their disposal. Washa omo demonstration na yenti omo ni easy for no kotena se kasai yenti omo Sisiano they are thinking of court. I think say yes they are using all the legal procedures or legal ammunition at their disposal. Now my thoughts on this particular case, some of the court I mean a lawyer, but personally me feel say NDC for the assembly court it's a no deal. Are you expecting the court to rule in favor of NDC? Say the NDC for Penoyana. It will be a precedence the courts of this land will not like to set. Because who set it Embrebe beba NDC for so ebeba power. Ube say ECS say ya they are not MPP for so say yempene so ye the obeko court. It will be said these political parties will be dictating for the EC. Now so Ghana mrane trepe face say EC no will be out to mean channel the one year. So I feel say based on that precedence, the courts of this land will not like to set no. Assembly NDC for the court it's a no-brainer. Please, I am not a legal person. I'm not a learned. Send your lawyers for no Efro. I'm not a learned person. But Asemsia, me to me say as far as Asem no any court in Kwandie, this is not a matter of contempt and a prejudicial and at the end there's our court terms na dabi. Opinion I may share. It's an opinionated view. Into the American NSA. One, the courts of this land will not like to set precedents because some ruling in favor of NDC. NDC for the Assembly Court. Now, courts ruling in favor of NDC. It will be a precedent, sir. Every political party bia susu say ECA ye bibi na ono political party ni enso super bon se wo be na adwen say wo di EC no air court. Na try say EC be ye bibi a ye be wasting the time because ye need say court processes waste time. That's my first reason I may feel say NDC for the assembly court wo mu enwini. 2, wo mo san so the court no mu wini a na try say Emrana yama EC freedom no ye geofio munsem. That's why say court just amrana efio munsem because court etre say EC ne de wo ye na ejuma ajan no wonye na ejuma. Political party bia menye wadun say wo be interfere and rightfully so. Emrana Mahama President Mahama Emrana wo ye president no. The same thing see here. MPP for na EC ne ye ade bia MPP for any anje ho wo mo yomo age say wo mo kan asema Mahama ba bonte mekan ne say isi no eye independent body wo ye na ade a munja ne na wonye nti if NDC at a point in time use this same excuse for the opposition party they should know say Kama is a female dog. Kama is a female dog nti no and then so we are using the same response to you, so you should just take it in good faith nti no media basa yo na NDC ye bi mo ka say isi wampenia ye be ye basa no se sisia at least NDC for atena se hu ne say da bi basa yo na nya de e beboa court e wo ho Now, I also heard another conversation of a year Sami Jemfi from I think Asempa FM. And I yebisa Sami Jemfi say, "Inti Sami Jemfi, sisia mu use all the legal procedures at your disposal. Nani ni na still easy no, or say the obeya no beya. E then na NDC for mobile. And Sami Jemfi ka say, oh say any there." NDC for ya prepare your agenda that say voters register no ne crest omo ya ye bekwa ko register and I make us say it wouldn't say mo bekwa ko register then start conscientizing your people because is ni maybe awojina no ojina it will be of good for you say and that we be chance say we catch one crop for say voters register ni yen konko register omo ya yen konko register but why you won't say wo kon would you see it say to the end last minute scanner mobile park register. Then why don't you start telling your people already say nyashwe you dey ebe why don't you start telling your people that already? It's a montreal comment box for that's it.